Hello you all, it's Maaike and it's time for a Halloween series video. I'm going to make a series this Halloween with all kinds of videos, and in this one I'm going to share you the new Scrap Diva die. So this video is sponsored. You can find all the new dies at scrapdivadesigns.com, and here are all her accounts like Instagram, YouTube or TikTok. And here we go. And I'm going to use this one, this gorgeous die. Can you see what it is? It's a frame with beds and spooky fun ghosts. It's so adorable. And this is the A2 card box add-on Halloween. If you are having the A2 box, then this is perfect. I don't have that box, but yeah, I really don't mind because there are so many other options. And also this die is included, so you will get 2 pieces. And today we are going to make this shaker. And with the shaker you can make a card, you can make anything you like. So here we go. I already have been die cutting some stuff, some items. And this is the base. Well, this may look a little bit strange, but because this is not even, but when it's all tied together you don't see it's not neat or whatever. But this is going to be the base of your shaker, and it's the size of this die. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.5 by 6. Then I have die cutted this piece, and this is die cutted with sturdy foam, and I've got 2 layers. So this is a little bit more thick, and this is what we're going to place over here. Then I've got an acetate sheet, of course, for the shaker, and this is the top. Let's start with adding this piece to the base, and I'm going to add glue. And my glue is a little bit stuffed. Yes, there we go. And you can use tape, you can use whatever you want. For me, to be honest, I prefer to love tape, because that's always perfect for the end, when you are crafting, and at that time glue is fine, but I always find myself pulling out the shakers because the glue doesn't stick anymore, and tape is never a real problem. Well, you can see I've got some paper left, but that's not really a big problem because with your scissors you can get it away. So now I already have this base, and I already had some tape off here, so I'm going to remove the tape. Double-sided tape. Yeah, this is a super fun, quick tutorial. It's just a perfect way to use this die as a card, for example. Then I've got some spooky mix. And what I always love about crafting is that it all comes together. Because now you can think, oh my gosh, this doesn't look nice, or whatever you're thinking. But in the end, it's going to be fine. It's going to be pretty. It's going to be the way you want. Place this down, make sure it's even. Press it down really, really sturdy. So what I'm going to do now, because this is closed, this is fitted, I'm going to remove the leftover paper pieces, because that's something you don't want to see. Also, if you've got some leftover of the acetate, you can cut it off, of course, right now. And my crafts, I always try to make them really neat. Well, no, let me say, my crafts are always neat, but not always how I am ending up there, because you can see now I just have to remove some paper. So yeah, but I'm always really picky about my crafts. It's really windy. So removing the extras we don't need, you don't want to see. So here we go. Now you can see. Then we've got this one. We're going to place it over here. And I already added some tape at the back of this piece. So I'm going to remove the tape. And you can remove the tape in once, or you are going to remove it step by step. It's just whatever you prefer. I'm going to remove it in once. All those cat hairs. Always when I'm going to record a video, our cat Freya is on her way to come see what I'm doing. Well, here, look, isn't it super fun, and it was so easy to make. I've got the sentiment, the hey boo. Hocus pocus I added here. Well, for now I'm going to leave it like this. Maybe later on I'm going to add something more, but then you will see, of course. But for now it was just a really quick, fun tutorial. Well, thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. See you next time. Bye bye.